Yeah, they're all different, aren't they?
Yeah.
They really are. It's an all pack cards. Give me a little bit of a mix for me. Fantastic. That's wonderful. And then just spread them out on the table for me. That's good. What I'd like you to do is draw one of the cards out. Draw one of the cards, leave it face down on the table. Fantastic. Collect all the rest of the cards together. And fantastic. We'll get rid of those. Actually, put them face up on the table. So, forget what your name was.
David.
David, going to give you the pen and paper.
Yeah.
David, I'd like you to draw me a suit. Not an Armani, obviously. You shuffled these cards.
Yeah, right.
You took out one card. You had no idea what that card was. We asked the two guys in the audience, came up with 4 and a diamond. Turn over the card you chose. Turn it over.